JDS Flying Canuck here. I don't know if you can make that out in there. JDS Flying Canuck. See if we can make that out there. Yep. There we go. Well, we got some snow again. Look at that, eh? Let you see those trees. Yep, it started, I think, last night about 2 in the morning. And now it's going pretty good. It's like a winter wonderland out there. That light way over there in the background. Way over there. That's where I fly. You can see how much snow there is. You can see the skating rink over there. I think we can, yeah. The lights aren't on it, but there it is. You can see how big the snowflakes are here. It's supposed to stop about 12 noon today, I think, or a little later. But lately here the weatherman's been pretty wrong, so I don't know. I do not know. We'll see what happens. Looks nice though, eh? You can get a gist of it there. Looks pretty cool. Try and get a zoom in on the lights down there so you can see the snow on the lights there too. There you go. JDS Flying Canuck. Over and out.